Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on point on a line. In order to determine whether a point lies on a line, just substitute the coordinates of the given point into the equation of the line in question. Let's look at two examples to illustrate. Example 1. Does the point 3, 5 lie on the line y equals x plus 2? Substituting the point into the equation of the line we get. So 3, 5, we substitute it into that equation and we'll see what we get. 5, which is the y value, equals 3 plus 2. Of course, the x value is 3. So that gives us 5 equals 5. That makes sense. Hence, the point 3, 5 lies on the line. Now, consider the points 6, 1 and 5, 2. So here we have, for example 2, we've got 2 points, 6, 1 and 5, 2. Which of these 2 points lie on the line 2x plus 3y equals 15? First, we substitute 6, 1 into the equation. So we take this point first. So we get x is 6, so 2 times 6 plus 3 times 1, because y is 1. Now, what does that equal? If it equals 15, then the point does lie on the line. So that gives us 2 6s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 12 plus 3 is 15. So it does equals 15, which is what we have on the right hand side. So 6, 1 lies on the line. For the second example, we substitute 5, 2 into the equation. So that was our original equation. So the x value was 5 and the y value was 2. So when we work that out, that has to equal 15. If it equals 15, then the point 5, 2 lies on the line. If it does not equal 15, then it does not lie on the line. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. So when we substitute the points into the equation, that is the x coordinate and the y coordinate, we get 16 on the right hand side. So 5, 2 does not lie on the line. So this video has given us a basic introduction, and we've seen how to determine whether a given point lies on the equation of a given line. And all we do, we just substitute into the given equation.